guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana and I do post makeup, nail art and skincare related content on my channel. Today I have created this olive and golden halo eye makeup tutorial. I have used two eyeshadow palettes to achieve this look. One is Lakme and one is from Wet n Wild. I have explained all the tips and tricks of how to apply a halo eyeshadow look without using a concealer, just for beginners. So sit back tight and enjoy the video. First, I will be taking this warm brown transition shade from the palette and I will be applying it onto my crease. I'm using Wet n Wild blending eyeshadow brush. For the base of my eyelid, I have used a concealer and set it with loose powder. The transition shade is something that you place right onto your bone that is above your crease, basically creating a border so that your eyeshadow don't go beyond that. Take time in blending and have patience to achieve a good eyeshadow look. Now let's start with tip number 1. While I'm blending, you can select matte transition shade according to your preference. Here I wanted a depth and definition to my eye look. If you want to make your eye look brighter, then you will go for matte yellow transition shade. You can customize according to your wish. Now I will take this beautiful olive shade from the palette in my Pack 274 brush. I have shown you how to coat the pigment properly on your brush and dust off the excess, and packed the pigment and swipe it on your eyelid to avoid fallouts. If you follow this technique that I have shown you, you will face very minimal fallouts, trust me. After you have transferred the pigment onto your eyelid, you can freely start blending in round circular motions and windshield wiper motions to achieve a beautiful eye look. If you like my videos, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video up. Do also follow me on my Instagram account. I will leave the handle somewhere on the screen. If you love eyeshadow and nail art, then you should definitely click the subscribe button and join my YouTube family. Moving on, I am taking this olive shade and with my fingers, I will be applying it on the inner corner and outer corners of my eyes to get the absolute pigmentation. Do you know what is the halo eye makeup look? The technique calls for applying darker shade on the inner and outer corners of the lid and then packing a lighter and shimmery shade in the center of your eyelid. I have taken my clean Pro Out PF13 brush and just blending the eyeshadows further, ensuring that there is no harsh edges. Now you all will be wondering that I have used olive shade on my whole eyelid and also said that I won't be using a concealer to create the halo effect. The trick is to wet your eyeshadow application brush and coat the brush completely with the golden shimmery shade. As you can see, there is a lot of foiled pigment on my brush. This golden shade in the eyeshadow palette was shimmery, but by using this trick, I got a foiled shade. Just pat it onto your eyelid. So with this trick, you can turn any shimmery shade into a foiled pigmented shade. Remember, this trick doesn't go with glitter shade, it does go with shimmery shades only. After packing the pigment, I will be taking the Pack 274 brush and again start blending my crease. I have created many eyeshadow tutorials on my channel. One brown smoky eye, pink shimmery eyeshadow tutorial, and many more. If you want to check those videos out, I will leave a link in the description box below or the I button. Do check it out. Now I will be making a wing eyeliner. I am going for a cat eye wing today. I have also created the types of eyeliner video. I will also leave the link in the description box. Precisely draw the line in small strokes, keeping your hand steady and then fill in the gaps in between. After that, you can extend your line as much as you want. Then I will be taking my Colourpur eye pencil in the shade Peacock Throne and line my lower waterline. I will be tightlining my eyes with the black kajal. Also, I will be applying it on my lower waterline and mix the color. Now I will be taking the highlighting shade from the palette and apply it on the inner corners of my eyes. When you will be using dark eyeshadows, then you need to highlight your inner corners of your eyes and also highlight your brow bone. This step will ensure that your eyes look more open. Lastly, I will be taking my Holy Grail L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise mascara and apply it on my lashes. Apply good 2 to 3 coats of mascara to get that beautiful fuller eyelashes. Drag your wand from roots to the tips of your lashes. I will highly recommend this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara because as you can see, it gives a beautiful fan-like effect on my eyelashes. It lengthens my lashes as well as provides volume at the same time. My olive and golden halo eyeshadow look is complete, and this is the complete look. Do let me know what do you want to see next in the comment section below. I would love to do that. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video up. Do also follow me on my Instagram account. I will leave the handle somewhere on the screen. If you recreate this look, do tag me. Share this video with your friends and family. Till then, take care and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. I create subtle and easy looks for beginners. You can check these videos in the description box or the I button.